Good morning all are welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra Department of Information Technology. On today's 16th lecture on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, there are three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus for the total 5 units are there. Course outcome, after the completion of unit number 4, you achieve which CO? Fourth CO, that is develop 2D animation objects. Summary of previous lecture. In a previous lecture we complete the chapter number 3rd, that is web page development using multimedia. Now on today's lecture we start the new chapter, that is create the 2D animation. These the last two chapters are very interesting and there no more that theory parts, means it is depends on the practically. Okay, means which are that you use the for 2D animation Adobe Flash software is used. You use the 3D animation, that time to use Blender software. So in that 2D animation and 3D animation syllabus, what is the form that you use that software. So explanation of that software is added, means on that software which tools are used, how to create 2D animation, what is meant by 2D animation. It is only for definitions are, you know that. After that, which are the tools, how to give the properties, how to change the timelines, that's like, means depends upon that. All theory is depends upon that practical session. So not need to in details to theory to study, only for concepts is clear that then it is sufficient for that unit. And this is the not a theory paper, so it is not need to in details study on that points. But which are the main points are there, that will be added. Okay, on that previous lecture which points are conducted, tables and frame in under the 3rd unit. Now start the next unit, create 2D animation. In under 2D animation, what is my 2D animation? You all are known. We use the animated objects, etc. These are the 2D animation objects. What is meant by 2D animation? 2D animation is the art of creating movement in two-dimensional space. This includes characters, creatures and backgrounds. Means in that when we create the any object in a two-dimensional space, means what is the use on that, use the characters. Okay, for that characters means any human beings or any bird, animal, that's like. After that you give the background, and after that you give the creations, means you use the changes on that original object that are the included in this 2D animation object when you created it. And these objects are constant, but we give the effect as a movable, means when we seeing that time to use that time to you feeling that it is the movable, but it is not a movable, it is a stable. That is the known as that 2D animation. The illusion of movement is created when individual drawings are sequenced together over time, means that individual drawing, one by one drawings are created, and that one by one drawings are sequentially arranged that, and you when we play that time to you seeing that, you feeling that this is the movable object. Next point, 1 second of time is usually divided into 24 frames. That frames are there, and that are the frames are divided into 24. Next point, difference between 2D animation and 3D animation. In a 2D animation and 3D animation, in that first 2D animation implies that the objects in a two-dimensional. In a 3D animation implies the object is three-dimensional. Next difference, in 2D animation, compresses of characters or objects only in height and width. In other words, in a x-axis means horizontal dimension and y-axis means vertical dimension. In a 3D animation, compresses of objects in height, width and depth. In other words, characters are going to be more a realistic contrast to 2D characters. Next difference, in 2D animation, objects are created by traditional drawing method. Each move of the character has to be created frame by frame with hand drawing, also called as a cell animation method. However, today's in a 2D animation makes use of software in developing the action sequence, but creating the first action scene has to be created, and the tool will generate the rest of the motion sequence automatically. In a 3D animation, everything is going to be done in available computer software. The development consists of several phases or steps such as modeling, texturing, lighting, rigging, rendering, etc. In a 2D animation, next difference, 2D animation comes for a less price compared to 3D animation, since you only need expert candidate who can draw and sketch apt. In 3D animation, well, the cost of 3D animation depends on the money you spend in a rendering. You have to shell out for each second, which is why the 3D animation courses demands more from your pocket, since the final products has to go through several steps. You got have a skilled professional for accepted outcomes. Next difference, in 2D animation is all about frames. In a 3D animation is all about movements. Means in a 2D animations, that software is how to create that object using through frames. But in that 3D animation, two movements are be used. Next difference, it is not suitable for conceptual drawing, as you can only represent in 2 dimension. In a 3D animation is compatible for conceptual designing, as it results in all 3-dimensional views. The software helps the animators to create a detailed characters, concentrating every possible. Next difference, in a 2D animation is widely implemented in a advertisement, films, cartoon shows, website, e-learning courses, engineering field, etc. Means what? In which areas the 2D animation is used, in which purpose to use, for the advertising purpose, in a film, in a cartoon shows, when we create the website, e-learning courses, in an engineering field, etc. In a 3D animation is widely used in gaming, movies, medical, biotechnology, aerospace, etc. Okay, means in which areas that 2D and 3D animation are used. All are play the games, okay, also watching the 3D animation movies. That are the example of 3D animation. Okay, and you watching all of the cartoon series, that are the objects are created in through the 2D animation. when I start this subject, that time I'm to providing the examples on the depends upon 2D animation and 3D animation. That time to imagine that how to create that 2D animation objects and 3D animation objects. Next difference, examples of in a 2D animation, the Jungle Book, the Simpsons, Show White. These are the examples of 2D animation. The 3D animation examples, the Incredibles, Toy Story and Transformers. Next point, tools. Which are the tools are available on that? Which software are used for that 2D animation? Okay, we use the Adobe Flash software, which are we explained in under the first chapter. That time to saying that which softwares are used of each practicals. So we use the Adobe Flash software. On that tools, these are the tools are there. Sub-selection tools, this like, okay, how to see that? That's like lasso selection, text tool, shape tool, brush tool, fill transform, fill tool, eraser, zoom. After that, selection tool, line tool, pen tool, oval tool, pencil tool, free transform, stroke tool, eyedropper, hand tool, stroke color, fill color, snap to object. Okay, these are the set to black and white, no color, swap color. That after that, tool specific options. These are the tools are available in a Adobe Flash software. These also used in when we conduct the practical on that 2D animation. That time to showing that demonstrated, but on in a theory part only for clear the what is the use of that tools. The tools menu is probably the most used panel in Flash. In it are the tools needed to manipulate items on the stage. It can also be used to do actions on the timeline. Here the main tools and their uses. First, selection tool, selecting whole objects and moving them. In which purpose that use the tools that are described one by one. Okay, that will be studied. Sub-selection tools, selecting the particular object. Clear that? It is in a simple sentence are there. You understand? Okay, in your own words that is writing it. Line tool, which purpose is used in, and also that word is indicated, that tool name is indicate that what is the work on that tool. Line tool, drawing the straight lines. Lasso tools, in which purpose to use, selecting irregular shaped pieces of an object. Pen tool, drawing non-straight line and curved lines. Next, text tool, inputting a text box onto the stage. Oval tool, drawing oval and circle shape. Okay. How to that draw it? Drag and holding the shift means what, create the circle. Shape tool, by default draws the rectangles. Drag, after that holding the shift is to create the square. Pencil tool, free drawing thin line. The brush tool, free drawing brush shape. After that, next tool, free transform, scale, rotate and skew on an object. Fill transform, distort the gradient fill of an object. Stroke tool, which purpose to use, change the color and size of a stroke. Fill tool, change the color of a fill. Eyedropper, sample a color from the stage. Eraser, use a brush to erase part of an object. Hand tool, used to drag the stage around to see not visible part of it. Zoom in or out. Okay, these are the tools and their uses, in which purpose that tools are used. Summary on that today's lecture. On today's lecture, which points are conducted? First, what is meant by 2D animation, their definition. After that, what is the difference? Okay, what is 2D versus 3D? Means the difference between 2D and 3D animation. After that, tools. What is meant by tools and which tools are available and their uses. Here, homework for you. Write in your notebook on today's lecture points. Here, stop on today's lecture. In this lecture, any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.